Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into forthelow.net, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Sony DVD VCR combo to show you. The model number of it is SLV-D560P. This thing makes it really convenient for playing back both the DVD and VHS all in one device so that you don't have to keep switching between components, and it saves up space in your entertainment center. Plus, it will eliminate one of the remotes so that you don't have to keep looking for those remote controls every time you want to play a VHS or a DVD. But let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have a audio video input and output right here. The input is for recording and the output is for playback. And then you have a tuner input and output right there for receiving cable broadcasts and recording them. And then over here for the DVD side only, you have component input, or output, sorry, and then analog output and coaxial digital audio, as well as optical digital audio and S-video. And the optical and coaxial digital audio are for connecting it to a sound system. And this was made in China, and the manufacture date isn't on here, but it was probably made somewhere around 2002 or 2004, somewhere around there. All you have to do to connect it is plug in the red, white, and yellow cable to the output on the back of the VCR. And then once you have it all wired up, you can go ahead and power it on and put a DVD and a VHS in. And this is the original remote control for it. It's got a bunch of different options on it. You can easily switch between DVD and VHS with it. You've got some VCR plus functions. You can eject the VHS and the DVD at any moment if you want to. And then you've got the setup menus.
You can dispense with the smallpox all I want. I'm here on business and time is of the essence. Very well. What answer do you seek?
And then you have fast forward functions while it's playing. And if you hit stop, you can do a faster fast forward or a faster rewind if you want to. And then it's even got slow forward and slow rewind if you want to use that function. And then for the DVD side, you've got skip forward and skip backwards, of course, fast forward, fast rewind. And then you got your stop, play, pause buttons. And then you've also got the display option. You can access the display. And then with the menu button, you can quickly jump to the DVD menu. So real quickly, before we talk about the front panel of it, do you know what the acronym VCR stands for? It stands for Video Cassette Recorder. So if you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about the front panel. So you got your power button right here, and then you've got your DVD and VHS buttons. You can quickly jump between the two. And then you've got channel and tracking right here. And then down here, if you open this door, you can plug in a device with the red, white, and yellow ports, and you can either just use it for standard playback or you can record onto VHS. And then right here you have a dial timer. And then you've got play, pause, stop, rewind, fast forward, and record, and then your eject button. So that's pretty much all there is for this Sony DVD VCR. It's really convenient. It eliminates one extra component in your entertainment center, and it gets rid of one of those remote controls. And it has the VCR Plus feature, which is really convenient if you plan on doing any recording. And it's even got the optical digital audio output. It's premium for connecting it to a sound system. That's the best audio source you can get. But if you're looking to order one of these, make sure you get it at forthelow.net for the best guarantees and you can order it over the phone or you can get it on our online store.